So with cashback base, you have to actually earn points so that you can claim more deals in the future and claim better potential deals. There are a number of products that you can claim for 100% profit margin, right? Because look, you're paying $16.99 for this, then you're getting $16.99 cash back, so you're getting it for free. And yes, for the sticklers out there, there might be a slight PayPal, fee in there, but all products don't come with a PayPal fee. It depends on if the seller initiates the PayPal, the cash back to your PayPal as friends and family. In that case, it will be 100% free. There will be no fee. Or as a business transaction, and then there's a slight fee, okay? But if it's a slight fee on this, it might be like 50 cents, and then you're getting this product for 50 cents, and then you can resell it back on a site like Poshmark or Mercari or eBay for around 17 bucks potentially, depending on your site. I've sold things more than their retail price. I've sold things less. You'll get better at kind of judging what you can kind of flip those products for on each specific marketplace the more you do it, okay? So let's hypothetically run through this example right here. How's it going to work? You're going to buy this for $16.99. Maybe you get $16.50 back after the PayPal fee, right? So you're getting $16.50 back, cash back. So now you're like 49 cents into this product. You're going to list it on a site like Poshmark for, let's say 17 bucks retail. And maybe somebody doesn't buy it for $17, but you make an offer to them, or maybe they make an offer to you. So let's hypothetically say you make an offer to somebody at like 13 bucks. You don't sell it at 17. Well, you're still making $10.05. So if you take 49 cents off that, then you're making $9.50 roughly, simply by buying this, getting the rebate back, listing it on Poshmark, and selling it for $13. $9.99 cash back, $9.99 price, $7.99, $7.99, $8.99, $8.99. All these are free products. $18.99, $18.99. Free products. Let's try to find an example of a product that's not free. Oh, these are the freebies, so I have to go to Hot Deals. So if we go over to Hot Deals, let's try to find an example. So this is still a great opportunity to get a product, right? But it's not free because you're spending $19.99 to get it, and then the cashback is $17.99. So then you're spending $2 to get this, okay? So it's not free, but it's still a great product to get that you can make a margin on. Same thing with this one potentially, right? It's saying the retail value of this charger, case for iPhone or whatever it is. It looks like an iPhone, but I'd check into that obviously. Is about 45 bucks, right? And you're getting about 40, maybe like 50 back, cash back. So then you're into that product at like, what is that, 45? So then you're into that product at like 450 for that product, right? You can make a great margin on that if it's telling you that the retail value is roughly about 45 bucks. Now, you could obviously, do product research a little bit on eBay, right? So if you came to eBay and you typed in like, charger case for iPhone, what you'd want to do is you'd want to check the retail, what other similar things like this are selling for on eBay to judge if there's a potential market for this. So you can obviously sell these back on Mercari as well, or you can specifically just go for the freebies to claim here. Now, with cashback base, like I did touch on before, you do actually have to, you don't have to because there's a number of other freebies here that you can claim, and there's a number of them. As you can see here, it goes like 17 pages deep. But some of the other great opportunities, if there's like a good product that's selling for like $100 and you're going to get like $99 cash back for it, you do have to build your account up. So the more you actually claim deals on here and review them and get cash back, the more points you will accumulate so that you can then potentially spend those points to claim those great deals. So you're getting the most bang for your buck, right? You're claiming freebies, you're building up your points, and then you can obviously spend those points on cashback base to get other great products, okay? So similar here as earn points, there's a number of things that you can do if you sign on every single day. Look, you can earn points by claiming this same exact teeth thing that we just talked about. You're going to earn, maybe you can't. You can earn 0 points for that. But if you do this one right here, obviously you're not getting 100% cash back, but you can earn 116 points. This one right here, you can earn 539, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and you can also hop on and do like some of the things that they ask you to do. Like you can sign up with your reviewer profile. You can I think link your Amazon profile as well, or your buyer profile or whatever. You can link Facebook, I think, if I'm remembering correctly again, and you can just sign in every day and click to claim 30 points. So you can still build up a good amount of things if you're spending your point, if you're logging on every day and claiming deals with this website. One more example. Let's hypothetically say you bought this yoga tank top right here for about 19 bucks, right? And then you got $19 cash back. Maybe this is a friends and family discount, so you're not paying it at all. And also, before we actually touch on this, one of the things that I did start to actually do is I'm actually starting to track this. I never used to do this because you don't actually have to track it, right? You don't actually have to track it to know that you're profitable, but I do want to track it to make sure, to show data in future examples as, hey, this is what I bought it for. This is the rebate I got back, right? This person sent me the wrong rebate. This is this is not normal. They sent me more than I actually paid for. That does happen every once in a while, but it's not actually normal. So you can see here, I paid $18.95 for this. I got $18.77 back as a rebate. I haven't sold any of these yet. I haven't even listed them on, eBay, Poshmark, or Mercari or anything like that yet. So I'm starting to buy cashback products, and I was on vacation. Otherwise, this would be a lot longer, and I'd have more data here, and I would have listed them all already. But this is how I'm tracking it, right? I'm tracking what the title is, the Amazon link to it, so I can grab the listing, right? Where I sold it for, where I bought it from, the purchase price that I got it, and then the rebate I got back, right? Then I'm also going to track where I sold it, for how much I sold it, so that I can then track, okay, what am I actually making total on this if I spend X amount of money, right? If I spend $1,000, oh, well, then I'm making about not 3,500, that'd be cool. About $350 potentially with, about $50 cash back, right? So I recommend that you do track it as well with an Excel spreadsheet. It's very, very simple. Just write these things down after you make a purchase. It only takes about an extra 30 seconds to a minute. And you don't have to do this forever, but maybe you want to do it for like the first 10 to 20 products that you're doing, so that you'll see that, oh my God, I'm actually really profitable doing this. I'm getting all my money back, and here's how it's coming back, and then I'm selling it for this amount. Oh, that inspires me to do it more, right? Because if you're just kind of tracking blindly and you don't know, then it won't really inspire you, because you're going to have money coming in, coming out, selling, and then paying you from multiple places. And it might not really, click for you that you're making as much as you potentially are. So you don't have to do that. I just recommend that you do. If you're a little bit, skeptical, well, then buy 5 cashback products, track everything, and you will see that it works for you. So last example before we end this video, let's say you buy this for $19, right? You sell it back on Mercari and you list it for $19, but then maybe you make an offer as a promotion. So maybe you make a promotion at like $15, right? So then if you make a promotion, let's also fill this out. So we'll go like 18927. I don't even know if that's actually a legitimate address. We'll go with this, and we'll say it's a pound. So let's see if we calculate the shipping at $4.99, and we sell it for $15, right? And we pay for the shipping, because I always recommend that you offer free shipping on Mercari, but that's a completely different, topic right now. Then you're still gonna make $8.50 on this if you sell it for $15 on this website. So you're getting $8.51 for free, simply by buying this for $18.99, getting a cashback, getting a rebate back on cashback base. And then, by the way, something I haven't even talked about really in this video, you can also use you can buy all of these purchases with a cashback credit card that offers you up to 5% cash back. So if you're spending like $1,000, which you can do very, very easily, right? You're going to spend $1,000, you're going to get that $1,000 back potentially, or maybe you're going to spend $500 and get the $500 back, right? It's going to differ from person to person and how much you want to actually spend. But let's hypothetically say you spend $1,000 on products like this and you get maybe $990 back, right? Well, you're going to spend $1,000 and make $50, and that's going to add up very, very fast, because let's hypothetically say you're scaling this up to any certain degree, right? And you spend, $3,000 on products, and then you're going to get roughly $3,000 back. Well, what's 5% of $3,000, right? That's $150. That's $150 extra that you're getting every single month just by using a cashback credit card. So to just kind of recap the business model, you buy on sites like Cashback Base, you get 100% rebate back, or very, very close to 100% if you want to go after some of the other products. You get them, you get your rebate, then you have free products to resell back on other sites like Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay for 100% profit margin.